we are going to learn perfect tenses. We pause for some time for a quiz. Kanimoli dash her birthday next month by this time. Verb celebrate. Here next month shows that this is future. By this time shows that continuous. So what will be the answer? Hope you have written. Kanimoli will be celebrating her birthday next month by this time. Now let us learn perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. I have done the work. I had done the work. I shall have done the work. For present perfect, the clue word is just now. எந்த ஒரு செயலை ரீசெண்டாக கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணது. That understanding just gives we use present perfect. I have just finished my work. Sita has just completed her PhD. My uncle has come just now. So, இதான் present perfect மெயினாக ரீசண்டாக. இப்போ past tense வந்து லாஸ்ட் டே, லாஸ்ட் வீக், எஸ்டர்டே அப்படி இருக்கும். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து எஸ்டர்டே அந்த க்ளூ இல்லாட்டியும் ஜஸ்ட் நான் ரீசண்டாகவே முடித்ததுக்கு we use present perfect. For past perfect, there will be two incidents. ரெண்டு நிகழ்வு நடந்திருக்கும். அதில் the first incident which happened, already finished, we use past perfect. And the second incident which comes, we use simple past tense. So whenever there are two incidents, the first incident happened, we use past perfect, and this followed by the second incident, we use simple past tense. Example, when I reached the station, the train had already left. So the action first done is the train left. When I reached, I reached late, and so the train left. I couldn't get the train. So once more, listen. When I reached the station, the train had already left. Here we also have the words after, before. So what happened before or what happened after? That means two incidents. When the bell rang, the students had finished their exam. So when the bell rang, it's the second incident rang. The students had finished their exam. So first the students finished, and after that the bell rang. Future perfect. Future perfect. When we say future tense, what is going to happen? The following day, the next day, next week, whatever it is. Future continuous. When we have assurance, next year at this time I will be doing this. But for future perfect, we will have completed our project by December. December ஆகும்போது complete பண்ணியிருப்போம். So we are not sure of that, but we have an assurance guessing that we'll have finished. By the time we reach the station, we will have started the match. By the time we reach the stadium, the match will have started. Start ஆயிருக்கும். நம்ம அங்கே நம்ம பொறுமையாக நடந்து போகிறதுக்குள்ளே அங்கே எல்லாமே தொடங்கியிருக்கோம். So it is for this information we are using this perfect tense, present perfect, past perfect and future perfect. The last three tenses, present, past and future, perfect continuous. Here you have to have a keen observance. Present perfect continuous. The incident that happened continuously and still now continuing. எப்போதோ ஆரம்பிச்சது and also still it's not concluded, it's not stopped, not yet completed, not yet finished. She has been staying in this house for 10 years. Aarti and Piriyan have been playing since morning. So now here action started earlier and still continuing. Since we use for the point of time. Since morning or since 5 a.m. since Monday. For we use for the duration of time. Duration for how long? For 10 years. For 5 hours. For 3 days. So you should be very clear. Present perfect continuous. There will be a word, clue word for and since. She has been, I have been, they have been doing this work continuously for 5 years and still continuing. Past perfect continuous. I had been going to school on foot before receiving a bicycle. So, this past perfect continuous முன்னாடி கண்டினியூஸாக நடந்தது, இப்போ நடக்குது, but there is a different. அப்போ I was going on foot, now going by bicycle. There is a change in the information or the message, that is the action what we do continuously in the past, and there is a change in the present. Old generation had been cooking food by use of firewood and charcoal before the manufacture of gas cylinders. இப்போ தான் எல்லாருமே என்ன சிலிண்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். So earlier, the olden days, people were using firewood and some people use charcoal. So it happened in the past continuous, and now there is a lot of change. So I think no need of many more examples. You understood present perfect and past perfect. For future tense, I would like to differentiate where we use future, future continuous and future perfect continuous. I shall do the work tonight or tomorrow. I'll be doing the work tomorrow at 10 p.m. Future continuous. Future perfect, I will have completed my project by December. Or will have completed. Having assurance but not very sure. I will have been completing my higher secondary next year. So now you are in +2 and you are continuing your studies. Just when you think of next year at this time, you will be in a college level. You will be in another stage, next stage. So will have been completing. முடிக்க போகிறோம். have been தொடர்ச்சியாக completing the process by next year by this time. I hope you all understood all these 12 tenses. Watch this video once, twice or thrice to understand all 12 tenses, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.